Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today I've got two products from a company known as Obvus, and it should be obvious why they are needed. We're going to unbox these and I'll show you what they are right after this. Okay, I've decided to start with this guy here. This is the Minder Tower Stand 2 from Obvus, and I'll show you what it is once I get the box undone. Okay, well you can probably see what it actually is, but honestly, it's pretty darn amazing. So I'm just going to show you what it is in the box. Let's see. Oh, yeah. This is one of those boxes in which there is, in fact, another box inside. Looks like I got an Allen wrench as well as these little things. Not sure what that is. I'll put that off to the side for now. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Alright. Okay, it's very heavy here. This is made of metal. We got not only this in the box, but we've got this particular thing too. Comes with instructions too. I'm just going to get them really quick. Okay, these instructions aren't really instructions because honestly, setting this up is going to be pretty simple and I'll show you that. But for now, I just want to talk about posture and how it's important to have good posture. And honestly, I've kind of learned this thing through exercise about how much I slouch. I slouch a lot, and honestly, I think that's kind of created a lot of gut problems at my core, so to speak. Yeah, I'm really big into physical fitness now. Anyway, without further ado, I just want to set this up. Okay, so basically, you can really see what this is. Now, these are got some pretty stiff joints here, kind of like my arms. Get it? Okay, so you got cushionary things here. So this is a cushionary tail. Okay, and this comes up like this. So not only can you put your laptop here, and I'm going to demonstrate that. Okay, so I'm just going to put this here. Check it out. Not bad. You are now at a higher level than your laptop. Pretty cool. But hey, what's this? There's something at the bottom of this thing. Maybe something you might want for a smaller screen? Like one of these. Okay, I messed up. I had this thing here. I had it going front instead of back, and I had to take this off. You can adjust the angle on it. So that's really handy to have. I really messed that up badly. But anyway, you can put your screen there, and of course your laptop goes right up here. Not bad. Okay, so I got this set up here. I got proper posture. Screen is equal to about where my eye level is. The problem is the keyboard is way up here. I don't want to type like that. Fortunately, Obvus has me covered with the Minder keyboard, touchpad, mouse. I'll just go ahead and unbox this right now. Very simple item, and honestly, very cool design, honestly. I really like the design on this. But, okay. So, not much in the box here. This is the charging cord. And just to let you know, this is a USB micro. I know, it's hard to believe that. I feel like we're phasing that out, but this still uses it. And I charged it before I got here, so I'm going to try a little bit of a thing here. Honestly, the laptop stand and this thing really come in handy, don't they? I almost feel like they were just made together. Maybe we should package it together, honestly. So here it is, right here. And I want to show at the proper angle how it unfolds. Check it out. Isn't that cool? It is very cool. Okay, so now I just want to pair it with my computer. So, fortunately, there's a on and off switch here. And then from there, there's a light that's glowing right there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to ready it to pair right now. Okay, honestly, I probably could have paired this with my phone to give a demonstration, but since I'm using my phone to record this video, I thought I'd just pair it up here and we'll just see how long this takes. So I'm going to do this in real time. I had opened up my settings to make sure that I can add a device, and we'll see if it can connect. Okay, I know it's okay. All right, it took me a while for me to get it pairing. I found that there's a button here at the C key marked pairing, and when I hit the FN key and then hit that, immediately it was able to get it to work, which honestly I'm kind of fine with. Hey, I haven't tried this trackpad yet. Oh, hey, the trackpad works just fine. Okay, not bad. All right. Okay, I'm gonna call this a device a success. And now I've got, assuming I get my chair adjusted properly. And yeah, there's probably some posture things I'm breaking here. But if I really wanted to get this right, I'd have to put it right in front of you. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you probably didn't want that. Okay. Anyway, if you're interested in purchasing this thing, this stand can be purchased for about $69.99. As for the keyboard, the one that folds out very nicely, that's about $49.99 on the Obvus site right now. That's about all for these products for now, and this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.